Hello kids, welcome to Golden Era Academy. I am your art teacher and due to corona, we know you are not able to attend your schools. So not an issue, we are taking online classes for you so that you can enjoy your art class. Okay kids, now here we'll start a drawing which is known as puzzle drawing. Here I have drawn one picture for you. I'll do highlighting of this but with this sketch pen. I'll take a sketch pen for you, but you have to draw this drawing with a pencil. I'm doing this with this sketch pen because not be able to see with the pencil. But what the things you have to take for the drawing that I'm showing you. A sheet. You can take a sheet or a drawing copy. Pencil. Eraser. Sharpener. Pencil colors. Now we'll start drawing. Firstly, we'll make a flower. Now I'm making a butterfly. Leaf. This I have done. Now we'll color these flowers first. Now you can take any color of your choice. Whatever color you want, you can take it. I'm taking dark pink. You have to color in one direction only. I have sheets, that's why I'm rotating this sheet. If you have drawing copy, you can rotate your drawing copy also, but don't rotate your pencil. Do it in one direction only. You can rotate your sheet for the help, but don't rotate your pencil. This is how you have to color all the leaves. This leaf, this leaf, this leaf and this leaf. You have to color all the leaves like this only. So you can see I have done pink color in this flower and I am doing purple color in this flower. As you can see, I am just coloring this leaves now. These leaves I am coloring. Now I'll show you how I am doing purple color. As I have told you, I have sheet. That's why I am changing the direction of this sheet. As you can see, I have colored these leaves. I have done coloring of these. Now we'll give shading. See how I am giving shading to these leaves. To enhance our drawing, we are giving shading so that our drawing get highlighted. Now we'll give shading to this purple color flower. You can use any color whichever you want. I'm using this green color. Now we'll start coloring these circles. We'll color these circles with brown color. Highlighting with few yellow colors. I'm highlighting with yellow color. Now we'll color these leaves. I'm doing with green color. Now as you can see, I have done coloring in the leaves. Now we'll get shading. I'll do shading of these leaves. See kids, I am doing side by side shading part also, so that afterwards we'll not have any problem. I am giving shading. Our shading part is done. Now what we'll do, we'll color this butterfly. You can color with any color, you can use any color whatever you want. I'm doing this with this pink color. Body with black color. I'm highlighting this butterfly. Side by side, I'm doing this highlighting part also. I'm taking black color. With black color, we'll make puzzle. As you can see, I have drawn my puzzle. Now we'll start coloring. Take this mehendi green color. I have colored this block with this mehendi green color. Now I'll color again few blocks with this color only. Now as you can see, I have done green colors at some places. Now we'll do blue color. Now as you can see, I have done blue color at some place. Now we are doing orange color. As you can see, I have taken orange color. Kids, I am highlighting small portions for you so that you can see it clearly. I'm changing the direction of my page so that you can see it clearly and color it properly. Now I'm taking brown color. Kids, as you can see, I have done my drawing. See, I have done puzzle coloring. Now I have made this black outline. As you can see, I have done black outlining. Now with the marker, I am doing some designing part. You have to use a sketch pen or a marker. You can use anything. So here's our drawing. Now what I will do, I'll cut this border. Because I am using sheet, that's why I'm cutting this border. If you are using your drawing copy, don't tear your drawing copy page. Just make a border with a sketch pen or a black pencil color or a black crayon. It's not important to tear the page. If you want, you just leave this drawing like this only. Don't tear the page. Here it is, our puzzle is ready. You can see this flower painting. And one more painting I have drawn for you. This is a fish puzzle. See both the puzzles. I have made two puzzles for you. One is flower puzzle. One is flower puzzle and another one is fish puzzle. I hope you liked it. I'll make something else for you in the next video. Till then, thank you. But don't forget to mention date. As you know, you have to mention the date and what you are doing, the name of the drawing. This is a puzzle drawing. Which drawing? Puzzle drawing. So, till then, bye-bye. Have a nice day.